And here I am again. Oh, I'm just constantly fucking paranoid it's going to break. But looking through it, you can see where the under blanket, the old hammock, is and where it's not. This is where it's not. You can see through it. This is where it is, where it's dark. Same here. You can see through. Oh, look, under blanket. So it makes a massive difference. So yeah, that was a good idea of mine. God, I'm cooking. But I'm cooking not because of the actual temperature so much. I'm cooking because of walking through the bloody heat, sun, and all the rest of it. Yeah. Main reason to inflate the mattress is to give it structure in here, but honestly, I prefer the feel, the shape of a hammock. So that's why it's only semi-inflated, only a little bit. Not because it's just a bit of insulation. And I got my book down there. And God, that's comfy. Yeah, a little bit of inflation in this thing. A nice squishy pillow is nice. Not a great big rock solid thing like I had before. Yeah, I'm actually quite comfy. I can stretch out my leggies, I can stretch out my handies. This is brilliant. Because the inside, it's, from what I remember, it's 2.9 meters, the internal length. I'm not sure if there's a variation because you're at an angle, but I don't sleep diagonal in this thing. I don't need to. It's comfy enough like this. Although I did have the mattress inflated last time, which gave it more horizontal structure. But the fact that I can stretch out and wiggle my toes without feeling like I'm in a coffin that's too small for me, because that's how I felt in the tent. Even like a normal size 4-man dome tent, you have to sleep diagonal in order to actually get any length. And even me at 5'7", it feels cramped. And that tent I've got, it's extremely cramped. And the netting is bugging me a little bit because it's coming too close. I'm not sure why that is. But I could go and redo my... I think when I was messing about, one of my sticks may have moved out there. Which is why this is a little bit closer than it should be, because it should be like that. So I might have to go outside and play with it later on, but right now I'm sweating and I'm relaxing, and that is my view. Green trees, variety of trees, not a single evergreen tree in sight. The evergreen trees just do my nut. They're a cash crop. They make a big point. Oh yeah, we're going to come from America and Canada, and we're going to plant trees for you and do your... No, all you're going to do is plant trees that you can make money out of, and then poison the ground and the earth and people and animals and plants so nothing else grows, like a lunar landscape. Go to Ireland, have a look at their landscape. It's fucking dead. Because of all 30 years of cash crops, well, 30, 40 years of cash crops. And it's just basically nothing grows apart from brambles and inbreds. Oh, well, time for the book.